DJI Mic. So this has a battery in it. You can see the power goes in there. If I open this up, you can have one with the fuzzy on there, like basically the wind, and one without. Okay, so for one basically for indoors, one for outdoors. This is the part that gets connected to the camera. You can connect this via USB-C, right? So if you take that little door off there, you put this piece on there that comes in the case. You can see you got to pull it out. It's a little tough because I never really use it, but it's in there. You pull that out and you slide it in there. Then it makes it USB-C. I've been using the 3.5 millimeter jack for my GoPro, right? And this slides actually into the shoe of the camera. I did notice that this will, if you leave this on 0 and you're talking normal, it's pretty loud. So I had to turn mine all the way down, that's what this knob is here for. Basically, it's just turning the volume that it's recording down. And you have to, you can turn on and off the microphone and the receiver with this on and off button. It does charge with the case, and it has a little spots in there. You see the little gold pieces. See how they connect in there, and that's how you basically charge it. So you have that on here, and you also have that on the microphones themselves. On the microphones themselves, you can either clip them, or you can have a magnet, and you can do something along the lines of that. Now I put it on backwards. The magnet's supposed to be at the inside of the shirt, but I think you get the picture. Okay. So yeah, this also has a power button and a link button, which I never really have to use. Yeah, it also comes with like a pencil case kind of thing where you can put all the other attachments, like all the extra wind things. There's a black one. I think there's 2 gray ones, 2 black ones. I just like the gray one. And the current case, like I said, has a battery in it that charges everything, and it has a battery indicator right there. It feels very nice, very premium. I'm impressed. And it also has an app, which I don't really use that often. I just need it to basically plug and play. Battery life seems to be great as well.